Let's see who this is from. Now I gotta push it to make it record.
I know.
This is from
It's
my
recording.
sister.
Okay.
Let's see what Aunt Jenny got me.
More bracelets.
Back up a little bit so you can
Keep
see
making
it.
fancy bracelets. The names on it.
Knife.
Toy knife. Who's this from?
DC and Wendy.
Huh?
DC and Wendy.
Me?
That-
Thank you, Lizzie. Don't kill me, Mom.
You meant that one.
Women are crazy with knives.
Awesome! Hey, look at this.
A hoodie.
You can put on your
A
hoodie?
black hoodie.
Rub it on your lips.
Okay.
Huh?
Slipper boots. Cute. Thank you, Sissy. Are you recording the box?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Would you like some bottle shifting?
Uh-huh. Thank you, Jesse.
Wait, Billy has to still open his presents, and Darren too.
And
I'm not finished either, babe.
And you got this one to go and
Here.
some of these.
You want to point?
Mom,
Okay.
you got some to go. Still.
Okay.
This one, this one, and this one.
Just covered them up. Right there, right there.
I need it. Oh, that's pretty good. Take
Don't
them
get
down.
me, DC.
Sorry.
You get,
Oh, get Jane.
Yeah.
Yes. He's opening something special there.
That's from Jesse.
From
I
Jesse.
know. I hope that's the box.
All right, this is from Darren and DC, right?
Get off that. That's not yours, boy.
Oh, Darren, thank you.
nice.